enjoyed this video. I'm Tyrone and we're going to show you this new video from 5-Minute Video Marketing. Did you get that?
One of the reasons why YouTube videos have been very successful online is because they've had some amazing quality video and audio. Now, audios can be something that can make or break a video. If you don't have good quality audio, it can really sound absolutely crap. I'm sure that you can hear right now. So I'm going to review inside this video 2 solutions on how to have wired or wireless solution for microphones. The first one is a wired solution. I don't know what to do with this. This is just crazy. But as you can see, this is the problem with wires. It gets tangled. It just doesn't seem to stay. But it's the cheapest solution out here. Like, I can pick this up for around about $20, $30 from the local store, and it does the job. So what you do is simply just make sure you have the female end, which no, I think this is the male end. Sorry, nothing too nothing too explicit for you guys. So I'll plug that straight into the mic here. This is the mic jack. And then I've switched it on and I'll plug this into or clip it onto my jacket there. And we're going to do a little sound test as well, just to show you what it looks like. It looks like the most most distorted thing that I've seen for a while. You know, people are going to look at me and just go, what is he doing? Anyway, I'm going to try and be as discreet as possible. And if you see this thing hang out me, you know, that's what happens. But no one will see this. All right, so let's go for a little test run and let's test it out with this on my wire. So I'm going to actually do a bit of filming while I'm walking, and this is what it's like to actually have a good quality mic. If you have someone standing in front of the camera, or if you're walking with a camera with a mic, I'm sure that you'll get it a lot clearer because the sound will sound a lot better. The beautiful thing about having a condenser mic is, one, you get a lot better quality sound, therefore it doesn't sound like you're in a bucket area, which you first heard in my introduction. And then secondly, with the wire, you basically have it literally wired up to you. So that's what we're looking at right now. The second solution is the wireless solution. No more wires, as you can see. I'm literally walking around, even spin around for you, just to show you what it looks like. And it's the Sennheiser, hello there. It's the Sennheiser EW100G3. It's an amazing high quality sound. Now what I want to do is actually show you how it looks like. It's just basically the lapel mic that's over here. You can see that right there. And then it's just a simple wire that goes onto my battery pack clip there. Now if I actually turn on my camera, I could actually show you what it looks like on the other ends. This is where Justin's actually filming. Okay, so this is the Sennheiser shoe mount. Hello Justin. And this is what we've been using to actually record and capture that really good audio and quality sounds. The Sennheiser itself is an amazing wireless device, but there's a huge but here, it's the cost. It's almost about 2,000 times more than the wired solution. Now if you have an extra $600 to $700 to spend, yeah, you know, it's great. It's a great piece of equipment to use, and it also does the job very, very well. But you know, if you can't afford that, then obviously the wired solution, you know, if you want to go through this kind of tangly wired solution, it definitely does the job. So have a consider and have a think about which one would suit your case. But in our situation, it allows us to be able to move around freely, run even into the store and capture us from many, many distances. And the great thing with the Sennheiser as well is that I could literally be down the end of the road and you'll still be able to capture my sound. Do you want me to do it? Let's do it. So I'm still running and it's pouring down and it's raining and it's like crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. It's wet as. I'm getting my suit wet, I'm getting everything wet.
Both external microphones have its pros and cons. The Technica condenser microphone requires you to stand close to the camera in order for it to work because of its wire. That's okay if you're inside a studio or on a limited budget, though as you've seen, it's a bit of a mess if you're not careful. On the other hand, we regularly use the Sennheiser wireless microphone that allows you to move around freely and capture high quality sound, especially when you're outdoors or need to move around without having a wire hanging out your backside. Though, as always, when you purchase sound equipment, it's what you pay for is what you get, and this is true for these devices.